All right, class. So for this particular activity today, we're going to be working with a list of organisms, and there's 4 species here. What you're going to have to do is to, first off, take a pair of scissors, which I have some extras of, and you're going to cut each of these boxes out. And so as you cut these out, I'm just going to demonstrate with 2 of them. You're going to cut these into individual squares or boxes. Make sure that you're keeping them as separate as you can. And after you get them separated, all right, you're going to get little tabs that look like this. All right, after you get them separated, then you're going to be, you need to cut them all out, so they should be all individual tabs. Then you need to start to arrange them in the order that they would normally go for that species. You need to arrange them in that order, and there's going to be 4 total species that you need to find how they arrange and connect. Now, I'll give you a hint with this. You're going to be putting these in your notebook or on a piece of scratch paper. Didn't bring one with me. So you're going to take a piece of scratch paper, for instance, and you're going to set these on top. Then you're going to connect them with arrows. And I'll give you a hint that several of these will connect, these different species will have different places that they connect together. And so some might be in the same family, but not the same species, obviously. Others might be in the same order or the same kingdom. So you might have to branch several species out of the same kingdom or domain or something like that. And then you're going to connect them with arrows. Remember, you go from the bigger group down to the smaller groups. So you're going to connect them with arrows. You do not have to tape these in your notebook. You're welcome to if you want, but I would suggest actually not doing that and leaving them so that you can move them around in the off chance that you do get something incorrect. When you get to the bottom of a particular organism, all right, whenever you finish the correct order for each species, then you're going to make sure that you put the common name on the bottom of that. So each one of these 4 species that are a part of this are going to have a common name that's going to go at be located at the very bottom. So once you're done with all that, you're going to take a picture of your science notebook and submit it to Canvas. Now, I would suggest even using a piece of white printer paper or scratch paper, and this will be a little bit easier and larger to work off of. Once you're done with all of these, I would suggest maybe pasting them into your science notebook as a practice and as an example, and that's up to you whether or not you want to do that, but you at the very minimum have to take a picture and submit that picture to Canvas once you're all done. Thanks. Also, if you forget any arrows or any things like that, those can be points off because that will be part of your quiz in the following days or the following class day. Thanks.